Harding's industrial cable assemblies and solutions are designed, tested, and built for the industrial environment. Built in one of our manufacturing locations in the US, Mexico, or Brazil, our cable assembly solutions can help streamline your operations by offering fully tested and approved cable assemblies. Harding is truly your one-stop shop for all your cable assembly needs. Our product range includes cable assemblies, housing assemblies, small and large harnesses, large power assemblies, molded cord sets including M8, M12, along with a variety of Ethernet cable assemblies using either an RJ45, our IX Industrial, or our new single-pair Ethernet T1 connector. As our customers' demands increase, so does the complexity of a harness. With our connector expertise, coupled with our engineering design services, we're here to meet all of your cabling needs. To round out our cable assembly portfolio, we offer specifically designed cable assembly solutions for conveyor systems and decentralized drives.